Hello viewers, I am Deepti. On your repeated demand, today I am going to give some important act and scene from Julius Caesar. So first of all, Act 3, Scene 1, specially concept points. Caesar was telling himself as firm as the northern star, as you know, pole star. Caesar's assassination next, and then Antony's handshake with conspirators. All these three from Scene 1, Act 3, Scene 1. Now coming to Act 4, Scene 1, Antony compares Lepidus with donkey, horse, etc. Next is from Act 4, Scene 3, call scene inside Brutus' tent, especially when Cassius blames his mother's inheritance for his ill temper, and next is Brutus discusses sources of trouble like death of Portia. Now coming to Act 5, from Scene 3, Pindarus' wrong news impact on Cassius and his freedom. Next is when Messala blames mistrust and hateful error. Next is Brutus' word on the death of these two last of the Romans. And you know these two last Romans according to Brutus are Cassius and Titanius. Now Act 5, Scene 4, Lucilius pretend himself as Brutus. Next is from Scene 5, Brutus farewell to all his sincere and faithful friend. आपने देखा कि कितने अच्छे हैं लोग जो ब्रूटस के कंपनी में थे. सो मैनी रिक्वेस्ट के बाद भी उन्होंने उसको स्टैब नहीं करना चाहा, जबकि कैसियस ने एक ही बार कहा और पिंडरस ने कर दिया. Last is Brutus' discussion with Voluminus regarding the appearance of Caesar's ghost twice at Sardis and at Philippi. So these are the important act and scene according to me. Now, one or two important questions related with the whole drama. First is the contrast between Stoicism by Brutus and Epicureanism by Cassius, and had they followed their philosophy till the end? Next is impact of Brutus denying two or three important opinions of Cassius and justify कि कब Cassius ने उसको सही opinion दी but Brutus ने उसको माना नहीं, and that was the reason for their tragic end. And last is loyalty shown by some of the characters, especially Lucilius toward Brutus and Titanius toward Cassius. So these are the important questions and scenes according to me. Still you have to go through all the act and scene for the complete clarity, because you have to give MCQ answers also. Best of luck from my side. I have already given you so many 60 plus MCQ related with each and every poetry, prose, Julius Caesar, act, scene 3, 4, 5, sub, everything is there. Just you need to go through them. If you want the PDF, you have to become the member. Otherwise, you can watch my videos. Thank you and best of luck from my side.